Hi, brother. In today's video, I want to walk you through how the carnivore diet works and how it actually causes fat loss. And once you see and understand why it works and how it works, I think you'll not be confused anymore. And the whole idea of eating nothing but meat is not going to be as scary as it was before. And I think one of the problems many of us have when we're following our traditional diets is that we're overwhelmed with decisions. And there's too much stuff going on. It's not a simple plan to follow. You know, you're tracking your macros, how much protein to eat, how much fat to eat, how much carbs to eat. You're measuring everything. You're weighing it all on a scale. You're eating the exact amount so that at the end of the day, your calorie count comes in perfectly what it's supposed to be. And if you're like me, you're tired of tracking everything you eat. You're tired of constantly trying to remember what decision you have to make today and what you're eating today and what you're eating for lunch and what's your snack and what's your dinner and how much of each to eat. You're tired of that. You're overwhelmed. You're just overloaded with decisions to make. For me, and I hope for you too, the carnivore diet removes all of that chaos. So with carnivore, rather than thinking about what can I eat, when do I eat, how much do I eat, carnivore follows the KISS principle. Keep it stupidly simple. It's just 3 questions to ask yourself. Is this a meat? Is this an egg? Is this butter? If the answer is yes, you can eat it. When do you eat? Whenever you're hungry. How much do I eat? Eat until you're full. It's as simple as that. You can't get much simpler than that as far as a diet is concerned. With the carnivore diet, we're not doing too much thinking about what can I eat, when can I eat, how much do I eat. Carnivore follows the KISS principle. Keep it stupidly simple. It's very, very simple. Eat meat, eat until you're full, stop, wait till your next meal, and repeat. You can't get it much simpler than that. One of the problems we have today is our modern food has been engineered to be hyper palatable, or in simple terms, very delicious, and it causes us to almost become addicted to our sugars, our starches, our refined carbs. And when we spend our time eating refined carbs and sugars, what ends up happening is we constantly stay hungry. I mean, just think about it. You go to work in the morning and your breakfast is a bagel. You eat a bagel with or without cream cheese. And I'm willing to bet you within 45 minutes to an hour and a half, you are hungry, starving, and ready for a snack again. That doesn't happen on carnivore. Don't believe me? Tomorrow morning, wake up, eat 6 fried eggs and 4 pieces of bacon, and tell me how long it takes you before you're hungry. And the other downside of eating the refined carbs and the sugar is that it just keeps you hungry all the time. And once your stomach is not full and you're actually feeling hungry, that's when your cravings start. And I mean, how many of you identify with this? You get hungry, you walk into a 7-Eleven or a Quick Trip or a racetrack or a Wawa or whichever store's closest to you. You walk in and what do you see? You see chips, burgers, you see hot dogs, you see sausages, you see candy, you see cookies, and you just are so hungry and you're craving and you reach out and you grab something and you grab the pack of Oreo cookies, you go back to the car, you sit down, you eat a pack of Oreo cookies, and an hour later you're hungry again. The never-ending cycle. When you switch over to carnivore and what you're eating is proteins and fats, the cravings will go away. They will drastically decrease until they're just gone. And one of the reasons why they will go away is because the protein releases GLP-1 in your body, which tells your body you're not hungry anymore, and the fat slows down your digestion, so food stays in your digestive tract longer, so you feel full for longer. And one of the reasons why these GLP-1 medications are so popular is because they get rid of the food noise, they decrease your cravings immediately. Now, carnivore does the same thing, and I will tell you this, when you are feeling full the whole day because you're eating real food, real protein, and real animal fat, you're not feeling hungry, and when you don't feel hungry, you're not going to have the craving. And when you're not having the cravings, it's not willpower. You're not trying to follow a diet where you have to eat 30% protein, 30% carbs, and 40% fat, and you're trying to white knuckle it through on sheer willpower and strength of your body to resist and your brain to resist eating more than you should eat. With carnivore, it's not about willpower. You're eating real food that your body recognizes as real food. And your body stays satisfied. Your body stays full. It doesn't stay hungry. You don't need to worry about willpower and white knuckling it through your day. You're satisfied the entire day. And carnivore is based on real food. Your body recognizes the real food. And what you'll end up with when you switch over to carnivore is you'll end up with steady energy throughout the day. You're not going to have any crazy blood sugar spikes from eating the processed food and the sugars. And you're probably going to have the inflammation in your body is going to decrease. Your joints will start feeling better. Your back going to stop hurting. You'll just feel all around better. And if you're like me, I dieted twice before and lost major weight. Almost immediately afterwards, I gained the weight back. Just like I was, not broken. You guys are not broken. It's that everything is overcomplicated. You're falling for all these diets that were designed to make money, not teach you how to eat for your life. Carnivore is a way to train your body to discover what your body thrives on and what your body doesn't thrive on. And then it helps you develop an eating pattern that will stick with you the rest of your life. And because carnivore is so simple, I mean, you simply ask yourself the question, is this a meat? Is this an egg? Is this butter? Is this sea salt? If the answer is yes, you can eat it. If the answer is no, you don't eat it. It's simplicity. When the diet is that simple, it's going to be much, much easier for you to stay consistent on the diet. And consistency is going to be the king. If you stay consistent, you will lose weight and all the other benefits will follow. Now, for right now, your first 30 days, I recommend everybody starts with 30 days strict carnivore, nothing but beef, bacon, eggs, butter, sea salt, water. Start with that for 30 days. Right now, don't worry about fasting. Don't worry about calories. Don't worry about how much you're eating. You just eat until you're full. Keep it very, very simple for the first 30 days. Don't overcomplicate this. I mean, in a little bit over a year, I went from 350 pounds to 250 pounds. Still not where I want to be. I'm still continuing my journey. I've still got 50, 60 more pounds to lose. But what the fat loss did was it was the small promises to myself each day that I was going to follow my diet, stick to my diet, and eat what I was supposed to eat. Each of those small victories I had when I came home at night and said, hey, today I did not cheat. I only ate beef, bacon, eggs, and butter. Each of those small wins over time built up discipline in myself. It showed me that I am capable of doing anything I decide to. So if you're worried about discipline, if you're worried about willpower, that's not how you start on this. You start with just simple consistency and simple following the carnivore diet. Beef, bacon, eggs, butter, sea salt, water. That's it. You don't need willpower. You don't need to white knuckle it. Just be consistent. Each small win builds up. And as each day goes by, your discipline will get better and better because you'll start to see that you can do this. Now, in the next video, I'll leave a link down below or up here on the screen if I can figure out how to do that. The next video, I'm gonna go through exactly what foods to eat. I'm gonna give you a shopping list, all that good stuff, so you will know exactly what to eat and how to cook it. So stick around for the next video. I'll see you there. Thanks.